Hello friends, welcome to class 7th Public Property and Private Property. Earlier we have seen that what is public property, what is our duty, what is our right towards the public property. We should preserve the public property, that we have to see it. What will you do if somebody wastes water in the school? You will stop them. If the ground is littered, you have supposed to clean it. If your friend damaged the plants, tell him to make it properly once again. Washroom is not clean, then you will inform to the principal or to the peons. Someone scribbles on the walls, you will stop them. Somebody cuts a tree, you will not allow them. Somebody bathes in the animal on the bank of river or lake, then you will explain them the cleanliness of the water. How much water is wasted? Let us see in a 1 hour. In 1 hour, in all the three places, water is equal to the amount in the third tumbler get wasted. If the third tumbler there is 2 liter water, then it will be approximately 10 liters to 1344 liter water will be wasted. So even though whenever there is water is leaked from the tap, we have to stop it immediately. That is our prime duty towards the stoppage of wastage of water. Whenever we are using water, 4 liter water is enough for a person in a one day. The 4 liter is excluding water used for bathing. Even many persons are wasting water from the dripping tap when they bath, when they clean the teeth, when they wash their mouth. So that is our prime duty to stop it. Our property, our money. Protect memorials, monuments, public places. Our monuments are our pride. Our money is used to upkeep the public memorials. Forest, lake, river, wild birds, animals are common property. Preserving is our duty. Conserving environment is our duty. Preserving public places is everyone's responsibility. Taking care of public property is everyone's duty. It is crime to damage the bus train to fulfill our demands. Along with the using public property, we should preserve it too. You can draw a one public property here, and then afterwards you can continue your session. A person litters at any place, explain the behavior, then you will stop them. Women spitting on a post box, you will stop them. In this all reason A, B, C, D, E and F, you have supposed to stop them and explain them that you should not do it. Then there are some question answers based on it that I will share with you. Now lesson number 11, devotion towards the Almighty God. Let us see. In above all pictures must have you wonder what did the people started praying, singing religious songs in this way. The deep devotion towards God is gift of the Bhakti and Sufi movement started in the 8th century. Let us take a peek into the era and understand how all the reached us. In olden day, common people stayed away from the education. Traditionally, members of the working class underwent vocational training. People were religious, but superstitions were widely prevalent during that time. Superstitions, Andhvishwas. People, due to this advantage, was taken by many opportunists. People weren't scared of the kings as much as religious heads and saints. Religion became superficial, idol worship had become widespread. Through the people believed in respected religious books like Vedas, Puranas, but they were ignorant in the main philosophy and propagated charity as a noble deed. Hindu Muslims consider charity as the part of the religious belief. Ghost, spirits, appreciations, etc. were believed in, even worshipped. A few superstitions also become widely spread among the people. The true faith had lessened some opportunist priests, Maulvis, saint, witch doctors, etc. started taking advantages of the ignorance of the people and their blind belief to make their own life more comfortable and luxurious. Let us learn the Bhakti movement that started during that period. First of all, Hinduism remained the main religion, retained its status. The religion felt the need to spread the awareness, to remove ignorance. The saints started different religions, revolution in the religion culture. Let us learn about this in the next session. In the next session, we will start with the Vallabhacharya. Till then, I remain. Thank you.